Introduction to Faucets. In this session, we are going to learn about faucets. A faucet is a device for regulating water flow from a pipe. It is another name for a water tap. Every faucet consists of a spout, a handle, and an inlet on the outside. On the inside, most faucets have a valve which controls the flow of water through the spout. This valve opens or closes depending on the direction we turn the handle. As we turn the handle counterclockwise, the valve slowly moves up and out of the way, allowing a greater flow of water to come out of the spout. Conversely, when we turn the handle clockwise, the valve slowly moves down, shutting the valve and reducing the water flow. The faucet is only as durable as the material its parts are made of. There are three common categories of faucets. Let's explore these three important groups. The first group are faucets that supply only one temperature of water. It is either a hot water faucet or it is a cold water faucet. They are called single temperature faucets. The second group are single faucets that supply either hot or cold water or a mixture of both hot and cold water. They are called mixing faucets. The third group are faucets with a preset temperature of water that are engineered to turn on automatically when motion is detected and turn off when there is no more movement. They are called sensor faucets. Let's start by learning about one of the most common faucets of the first group, the single temperature faucets. The bipcock. Bipcocks are small single temperature water taps which are fixed directly to the water supply pipe and are often found in wash basins, bathrooms, kitchens as well as on the exterior of the house for garden and landscape irrigation purposes. Bipcock faucets are made from a variety of materials including brass, galvanized metal or plastic and come in various styles and colors. The lower end of the handle is threaded and when turned clockwise, moves the valve down to stop the flow of water and when turned counterclockwise, moves the valve up, thereby opening the flow of water. Another common single temperature faucet is the pushcock. Most often found in public facilities because it cannot be kept running by mistake and because of its vandal-resistant features, the pushcock is an easy tap to install and maintain. The biggest benefit of the pushcock is that it saves water since it self-doses after a few seconds without pressure applied to its knob. Self-closing faucets shall be installed in lavatories intended to serve the public, such as those in service stations, train stations, airports, restaurants, and convention halls. Self-closing faucets shall deliver not more than 1 liter of water per use. Pillar taps are another single temperature faucet. Pillar taps are sturdy, corrosion-resistant taps which are easy to install. Wall sink taps are yet another type of single temperature faucet. As the name suggests, wall sink taps are wall-mounted. This type of tap is commonly found in kitchens. The wall sink tap's long spout can be swiveled, making it easy to fill pots with water and wash dishes or cooking utensils. Health faucets are another type of single temperature faucet. This faucet delivers water to assist in cleaning after using the toilet for those who prefer using water to other methods of cleansing. The health faucet replaces traditional sources of water for this action, such as the bucket and mug. It has been found to be more hygienic and saves space in the bathroom. How to operate a health faucet. The handheld nozzle delivers a spray of water with a unique thumb button mechanism that controls the water flow for instant on and off. When one squeezes the thumb button, it releases a gentle spray of water. When the thumb button is released, the flow of water immediately stops. The nozzle is stored on a small holder attached to the wall on the right-hand side of a toilet. Now let's take a look at some of the most common faucets of the second category, the mixing faucets. Remember, these are single faucets that supply either hot or cold water or a mixture of both hot and cold water. Hot water will always be accessed on the left as we face the faucet. Cold water will always be accessed on the right as we face the faucet. One of the most common mixing faucets is the dual-handled mixing faucet. Here the corresponding handle allows you to control the flow of hot and cold water individually by turning the hot or cold handle onto a greater or lesser degree. The hot and cold water mixes within the spout and allows for a variety of water temperatures. These faucets are commonly found in both kitchens and bathrooms. Single-handle mixing faucet are faucets that allow you to get both cold and hot water using only a single spout and a single mixing control handle. The handle, when moved up and down, turns the water on and off. When the handle is up and moved from side to side, the temperature of the water is adjusted on a scale from hot to cold. When it is all the way to the right, the tap will be running cold water. When the handle is in between, we will have a mix of temperatures. Now let's take a look at the third category of faucet, sensor faucets. Remember, these are faucets with a preset temperature of water that are engineered to turn a water flow on automatically when motion is detected and turn water flow off when movement stops. Here the arrow is pointing to the sensor which detects the motion of the hands beneath the tap, causing the valve to open electronically. Sensor taps use the latest technology in order to save water and promote health through the prevention of germs. For these reasons, this is a type of faucet which is commonly installed in public facilities. With that, we have come to the end of this session.